Hi everyone! Today we'll be making basil mozzarella and tomato salad with 5 simple ingredients. First, we're going to start by adding our cherry tomatoes into a large mixing bowl. Then we'll take our mozzarella pearls and open them up. We'll squish them around until they loosen and add them in with the tomatoes. After, we'll take our basil and shred it and add it in with the mozzarella and tomatoes. Next, we'll sprinkle our salt and pepper. Then we'll mix it all together. And lastly, we'll drizzle our balsamic vinegar over the top. Now you have a super simple, very delicious summer salad to enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this in the summer when you have fresh vegetables from your garden.